If ChatGPT is slow, freezing, or lagging on your computer but works fine on your phone, here are a few ways to fix it. First, open ChatGPT on your computer, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, and select Log Out. After signing out, click the icon next to your browser's address bar, go to Cookies and Site Data, then select Manage On-Device Site Data. Find ChatGPT and click the trash icon next to it to clear the stored data. Press Done, reload the page, and sign back into your account to check if the issue is fixed. If ChatGPT is still lagging, try downloading the official desktop app. Open the Microsoft Store on Windows or the App Store on Mac, search for ChatGPT, and install the official app. Once installed, open the app, sign in, and check if the lagging issue is solved. If it's still slow, the problem may be caused by a very long conversation. In your current chat, type, "This chat has become too long and is starting to lag, so I need to migrate our progress to a new fresh chat. Please create a summary that I can paste into a new conversation." Press Enter and wait for the summary to generate. Then type, "Please generate a full context and handoff summary that I can copy and paste into a new chat window." The summary should be detailed but concise and include everything needed for the new chat to continue exactly where we left off. Once the summary is ready, copy it into a brand new chat window. This usually fixes the lag because the new conversation is fresh and no longer overloaded with old messages. And that's how you can fix ChatGPT lagging or running slowly on your computer.